I just wanted to give parents a quick tutorial on where to go to fill out the EMA forms that are required for every parent and student to fill out at the beginning of the school year. If you remember, our online forms replace the need to send home the paper EMA forms. And when you log in, most things should already be filled out. You'll just have to check off a few things and make sure that the phone number and address is still correct and your contacts are correct, etc. Also note that if your child is in grades 7 through 12 playing a school-sponsored sport, they will also have to fill out the online athletic form, but you must fill out the EMA form first before you can fill out the online athletic form. Now, to get to those forms, the easiest way is to go to our main website, www.minfordfalcons.net, and from there, you'll see we have a section called Parent Portal. And as you click that, it will open up the Parent Portal website. Most parents should already have an account for this unless you are brand new to the district. If you've ever filled out these forms before, you should have an account, or even if you registered your child at the school, most likely you registered using this website, so you should still have an account. If you don't know your password, then there's the main way to do it first, and we ask you to please try this first, is to click on this lost password link. And you'll see when you get to that, if you don't know your user ID, you can type in your email address and it'll tell you what your user ID is. Almost everyone's user ID is their email address that they used when they created their account. There are very few exceptions to that, but for the most part, everybody is their email address is their user ID. But most likely you'll just need your password remembered, so you can type your email address into this password field, hit submit, and then you'll get an email with a way to reset your password. If you already know your password, your username and password, you'll just log in here with your username and password, log in, and it's going to bring up a screen that shows you your child's name in the upper right-hand corner. And then on the left-hand corner, it'll have a place to submit forms for that child. Note you'll have to submit forms for all of your children if you have multiple children in the district. So once you submit a form for one child, you'll go back to that main screen, select your other child, and then hit submit form again to submit those forms. If you still can't figure out how to get logged in, if the lost password link didn't work, there is a link over here that says contact the district. And if you click on that, it'll bring up a little form where you can give us your information, your students' information, and the problem that you're having, and that will get sent to our support team, and they'll be able to email you back soon with the information that you need to get logged in. But we ask that you please try the reset password link first before you go to that form. And then if you need some refreshers on instructions, we have links for account setup instructions. That would be for someone creating a new account. There's also a link for just the general form submission and how to go about doing that. You can click that to bring up instructions for that. So again, everyone needs to do this for every student in the district. You can get started now for the 2021 year. You don't have to wait till school starts. It would be good to get this out of the way and done. And if your child is playing any kind of sport in the fall, and we have sports, they will have to have that athletic form filled out as well. So it'd be good to go ahead and get that done as soon as possible. Thank you.